July 7th, 2023. So then we're going to call for an older lady. Sounds like I've been there before. And she says she got an AC system. The outside unit's not running. Says it tries to start, but it doesn't start. So it probably sounds like it's a capacitor to me. But anyway, I told her to shut it off and leave it off, and I'm going to go by there and see if I can get it going for her. And see what's going on with it. We'll give it the old, how you doing? Go give it the old, how you doing? Damsel in distress, Miss Molly. Of the damsel in distress. I'm just gonna rinse off these filters while I'm here. That's probably not your issue, but while I'm here, right? They're washable. They're washable, so we wash them and put them back.
You had a lot of business with air conditioning?
Yeah, I've been really busy. Crazy busy. Yeah, it gets hot like this, everybody's running their systems and they're breaking, you know? That's one. Give it a good, how you doing, Mama? Both sides. It's not the problem, but while I'm here, clean the filters. Huh? I got a whole bunch of appointments. Why? Why?
Well, I was going to say you could tackle that water thing in the backyard that I didn't hit you up with the last time.
No, I told you I had to do that when I get when I got my plumbing stuff out.
Yeah, well, next time I'm managing. I've got 100-foot hose and
they're washable filters, but I mean they don't wash the greatest. Do the best I can here, you know.
well, they don't replace them toys. They just
You could replace them. These are washable.
I bought those.
I mean, you're better off with the replacement ones and just throw them out. I mean, they'll be all right for now, but I mean, you can get the dust off them, but it's always nice to change them, right?
Well, that's why Mrs. told you right away that there was new Christmas and you had somebody else in there. I said, well, how come you knew I was old?
Well, I worked for you a bunch of times, haven't I?
That's right. 89 is just around the corner.
Yeah, so I mean, they're washable.
1 month and 2 weeks, I guess.
They're washable. We'll drain there for a minute and we'll clean them. Yeah, so this hose has worked out good, huh? This faucet?
Yes. I just really got my flowers planted in pots. I haven't really done much.
So I put the new filter, I cleaned the filters, put them in there. It's got an old evaporator here. It's an old unit. Last time I was here, I had to put a new fan cycle switch, main control, rewired. It was a while ago. I think I worked on the condenser outside. It's an old low boy.
Yes.
Hot in here?
Yes.
Said it tries starting, but it won't start. Alright, so automatic cooling.
To the left.
Turn it down. It ain't so bad in here. 75. All right, let's see
Oh,
what's
that's
going.
not right.
Huh? That's not always right. No.
No, that's 80 on that little one.
Yeah, that's only a bimetal. We'll see what's. So the fan's running inside. Just the outside unit's not running.
I don't understand that new thermostat at all.
All right, I got the fan running. So try starting. Yep, it's a capacitor. I heard it. Can you imagine being down in Florida?
I couldn't live in Florida. It must be terrible. California?
Flipping nuts. These guys down in Florida. I mean, it gets 85 and I'm baking. Never mind 100, 105, 110.
My son,
Can you imagine how hot that is?
my son and his wife are going to Oklahoma and Texas. I don't know when they leave. I'm the last one to find out things. And I told him, do you know this?
Is he still married?
Huh?
Is he still married?
Yeah, he's still, yeah, I'm surprised he's still married.
Huh? Yeah, look at the capacitor. She's all puff. She's all puffy. It's like my eyes in the morning. Huh? It's like my eyes in the morning, all puffy.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, capacitor's bad. 40-5.
What's happening
My eyes look like in the morning, all puffy.
underneath? For mine now, the eyelids are filling up, and they're all swollen.
You know what it could be? You got that sleep apnea? Have you ever got checked?
No.
You snore?
Yes.
I bet you got that sleep apnea. I got it. I got the internal one, and I got the obstructive one. In the internal one, you stop breathing at night. Your brain doesn't tell your body to breathe when you go like a deep sleep.
Maybe that's possible because, you know...
You should go for a sleep study.
by
Should
one-
go. Then you tired during the day?
Yeah, by 12:30 I sit down in a chair and sometimes I fall asleep.
I bet you any money you got that sleep apnea. You should call the doctor, tell him you want a sleep study. Because then you can get one of those sleep apnea machines. I'm doing a lot better. It pushes air in there and keeps your airway open and helps you breathe when you're sleeping. I mean, I had to do it. I feel a lot better. Let me just double check. I am talking to the lady getting off my train of thought. Yeah, it's a 40-5. Let me put a new one in there. Well, Miss Molly. Alright, well, this is my go-to kit on a day like this. Hot day, change capacitors continuously. I need a 40-5 right here. 40-5, that's what I need. Another damsel in distress. What kind of snake was it?
A small garden one.
My ex-wife was a snake. My ex-wife was a snake.
Oh.
You might have seen her. She was famous. She was on the big screen. My ex-wife.
Yeah, I don't
She was
know.
famous. You probably heard of her.
What's her name?
You ever go to the movies? You've probably seen her on the big screen.
Yeah.
Yeah. She sunk the Titanic.
She sunk the Titanic.
Yeah.
Or she sang the Titanic.
She sunk.
Oh.
Iceberg. You don't get it?
Yeah, I understand that.
Poor lady. I keep throwing her under the bus.
Places.
Huh?
Well, was that way back when the first time I met you? You were going through the prongs of a divorce then, or you were not getting along in your marriage? I mean, I met you a long, long time ago.
Who knows? She didn't want me to go in business for myself. I said, I gotta get rid of her.
Very upset that time. And then later time.
Alright, so what I did last time I was here, I think I put this wire on the compressor.
Yeah. You did wire work last
I
time.
did wire work. That's what I did last time I was here. And then this is the fan. Put the fan as a 2-wire. It's gonna run now. Yeah. I was glad to see it go, to be honest with you. Alright, so I got the fan common, and the red is the common. The other side of the common.
Well, you're very jovial these days. Are you having a romance now? Or you decided you're single, you're better off?
No, I've been getting more sleep. I've been telling you, I've been getting more sleep because I had that sleep apnea problem. I feel better.
Okay.
I feel more jovial. I wasn't getting proper sleep. My oxygen, I was stopping breathing when I was sleeping, so my oxygen was dropping and I was feeling like shit. Does that make sense?
Yes.
All right, let's see if it starts.
Now that's heavy.
Look at that. Yeah. Went from a 0 to a hero in no time. Right?
Yeah, it's really good. But the last 2 times I went into. Last year when we did the work on this. Yeah, you were all right there.
What is it?
We went here last year about this time. That's when we changed it.
Well, I had to fix a wire, burnt wire last year. Feel the heat coming out, that's from the house. Feel that? That's nice and warm. That's what we want. Charge is gonna be fine. Can't stop a Goodman. Hard to stop a Goodman. Bristol compressor. Hear the compressor in there? That's a Bristol. Noisy. But it works. Alright, that's it. It's running. Yeah, so the best thing to do is just, you feel it's a little cool in here? Are you alright with it? Or you want it cooler?
No, this is fine.
This is fine. So, why don't we put it at like 72? Let it settle. If you find that it's still too cool, you could turn it up a little bit, but go by the top. Don't worry about this bottom because it's not accurate. We got on fan automatic and fan on. Yeah. I was leave it at 72.
Okay.
Air conditioner is designed between 72 and 74. Once you pull the humidity out, then it's fine.
I don't run it all night. I start turning it off.
Why?
Because it goes on and it goes off, on and off.
So it wakes you up? Does it wake you up?
Yes. Why
do you shut it off?
Yes and no, and I get nervous about it being running all night.
So you shut it off?
Yeah.
Yeah, whatever floats your boat, you know? Whatever you want to do. I mean, I leave mine on.
Right now, I've misplaced my checkbook.
All right, well, you could send me...
No, thank God I had a spare.